Alright, what's up, guys? I have to do some stuff with my weed whacker today. We're gonna do a cold start. I have not ran this thing since, like, October-ish, maybe early December. But we're gonna rip it. I never changed the fuel. I haven't washed this thing. Like, I totally forgot about this thing because we were rushing because snow was starting. So, we're just gonna risk it and hope it starts. And it's gonna be fucking cold because it is like 30 and it feels like a 22 with the wind. So, yeah. Alright, well, this is my Shindenawa M262. That for my birthday last year. I know, weird birthday present, but we gotta get that shit, baby. I'm gonna private 10 times because I haven't ridden it in a while. So, I'm guessing, put your guesses down in the comments before we start of how long you think it's gonna take, how many pulls you think it's gonna take this thing to start. I'm guessing between 2 and 5. But put your comments in. Don't cheat, alright? Because cheating, that's fucked up. Well, that's a cold start on my weed whacker. I just found out that the heat shield likes to rattle, but it's still on there, which is good. Oh well. But like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.